in Site Admin. On the User Management page, click on User Segment Automation. Before you can set up the automation, you will need to select the user segments for which membership will be governed based on custom profile fields. Once you selected the segment for which you want to automate membership, you will be able to create a new rule. First, select the relevant custom profile field on which the rule is based. Next, specify the condition that a user must meet in relation to that custom profile field. In this example, a user's entry in the department profile field must match training and development. Finally, select the user segment to which users that meet the specified condition will be added. When you then click on Save Changes, the rule will take effect. And in the User Segment Members tab, you will be able to track which users have been automatically added to the specified segment.